Welcome back to the Sound for More channel and welcome back to another tutorial on Loopy Pro. Today I'm going to show you how you can play back polyphonic clips. Before I continue, I would like to remind my viewers to subscribe as it helps with growing the channel. Thank you very much. Additionally, if you would like to support what I do, please do check the instruction contained in each video description. Thank you again. So we are inside AUM. As you can see, only one audio channel, and I have just connected a Nano Key 2 keyboard as a controller. So this is just a new project. So what we're going to do is click down here and create an additional loop. And the reason we're going to do that is because then we can click on the edit canvas and remove those two rows like so, really easily, and then we can click on the minus here to remove all the different columns. So nice and straightforward. So we have only one loop. We're going to click here as well and click here where it says 120 to set the tempo and press enter. So we have done that already. We're going to swipe up here on that audio clip. We're going to click import, select document packer, and we're going to choose one note that are recorded from another synth, like this one, Red Strike note, which I really love that synth. And we're going to click to import. Now let's click play. So that is what it sounds like. Now let's add, so let's click here on the mixer, let's click on the plus sign here and let's add a MIDI. And we're going to select MIDI in, okay? Then under destination here, click on the plus sign and we're going to select play audio clip. It's going to ask us which one. So this one, okay, and there we have done it. Now let's play with my external controller. So as you can hear, is actually playing, every time I press a note, it's going to play that clip, and of course changing the pitch based on the note that I press on my external controller. Which is absolutely great. Now let's expand here the mixer and let's click here on the destination again. Let's have a look at the options. So first of all, you can enable and disable it. You can also remove it if you prefer. Then you can change the target. So for example, you might want to change it to a different clip. Then we have a playback type. At the moment it says pitched notes, but for example, you can say transient slice. So which means it will play the slices of clip, but it will divide on the keyboard based on the transients, or you can have it in equally spread division. Let's try the equally spread division, which will be around the keyboard which you have selected, right? So effectively, as you press each note, it will play a slice of that clip, okay, which is something that you might want to do. Now let's bring it back to pitch notes. Now underneath here you can decide the range, and therefore you can do some split. So let's say for example we go to B2 here. Okay, maybe we go to B3 here. Okay. If I press a C4, it will not play anything. A B3, yeah, is playing that note, which you can see playing there. You can see the event here as well. You can transpose it up and down if you like as well. Okay. And then what you can also do is change the pitch wheel range. In this case, by default, it says 2 semitones. Now, let me expand on this. So let's go back to add another audio loop like so. Swipe up again, and let's import a different sample. So why not a piano note? Let's click open, and then let's select import. Okay, perfect. Now let's go back to the mixer, expand that view, and let's click on the plus sign here to add an additional destination. Again, play an audio clip, and we're going to play the piano note. Let's select the piano note, and we're going to select to play these from C4. And you can see it being played here, although I'm using my external MIDI controller. So in this case, I have created a split, and I can play two instruments. Which is absolutely great. So that is one way that you can use a polyphonic clip playback. And it's great because you could add multiple clips, as many as you like, where you can play sample from other instruments, and therefore you can use Loopy Pro now as your own instrument. And you could have notes from an external controller, of course, which trigger just a simple loop, or make that loop into polyphonic notes, and therefore your own instruments. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and as always, see you next time.